Good morning guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another Macau travel vlog. For today's video guys, pupunta tayo na Macau Tower for an activity na kinuha natin sa Klook, and we'll talk more about that activity guys later on once we get there. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is we are going to experience the Macau Tower Skywalk. Sa taas yun eh, Skywalk, basta ganon. So for now, magbabas lang tayo going to Macau Tower. Ang maganda dito, meron na siyang parang direct bus going there, which is the 26. Check nyo lang, tapos make sure na yung mga bus is going there. Alright, so tatawid tayo kasi yung bus papunta dito dapat. And yung Google Map lang, magiging kaibigan ninyo. Tapos yung pangalan ng bus stop is the Otto Silo Pak Kong. Make sure guys na aware kayo kung saan pupunta yung bus, okay? Number 26, doon tayo sa tapat. Yun, number 26 ng bus. Yun dapat sasakyan natin kasi sabi sa Google, pag ganito dapat yung bus. So anyway, sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, yung fare sa bus is fixed na $6, like 6 Hong Kong dollars or 6 MOP. And hindi sila nagsusukle. So make sure na may mga coins kayo, na may mga prepared kayong coins, or kung wala naman, no choice, kundi ilagay nyo yung kaya at least 10 MOP or 10 Hong Kong dollars. Ito na actually yung bus, pero hindi na yan mag sasakay. Wait lang. Number 26. Maraming bumababa. And sakto guys, meron tayong 6 Hong Kong dollars na coins. So yan. Tapos ang bababaan natin ay ayan, Torre/Tunnel Rodoviarios. Ang maganda dito naman guys, may mga nagpa-flash sa screen kung saan kayo bababa. So waiting game lang tayo dito. So bali ang magiging travel time natin guys is less than 30 minutes. So currently it is 11:12 na. Tapos yung kinuha nating schedule ng Macau Tower Skywalk activity is 12 o'clock. Pwede kayong gumamit ng Macau Pass guys kung meron kayong Macau Pass ha. Pero kung wala, pagpasok nyo, meron kayong makikita parang alkansya, doon yung ilalagay. Tapos dito naman, pag papasok lang kayo maglalagay ng pera or magta-tap, then exit na. Wala na kayong gagawin. Kasi exit lang.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we just arrived here sa Macau Tower. Tara, pasukin natin. Hindi ko alam kung saan pa tayo magre-register and so on. Ang daming pinto dito pero hindi ko alam kung saan tayo papasok. Ito yung entrance. Hello. For the Macau Tower. Skywalk.
Skywalk to escalator down.
Down? Alright, thank you. Mamaya libutin natin ito guys. But for the meantime, habulin natin yung oras. Kasi ang sabi, 30 minutes before dapat, nandito na. 12 tayo, nasa 11:47 na. Kasi yung bus guys, ang tagal dumating, parang 15 minutes pa. Tapos ang sabi dito guys, kapag late kang dumating, pwedeng i-reschedule some other time. Anyway, meron pa naman tayong 12 minutes ticketing counter, ayun, sa baba pa. Ayan guys, oh, maraming activities dito. Swan dive, back dive, Titanic, ayan, Skywalk. Kasi yung parang registration daw, aabotin ng 30 minutes. Adventure activities, ticket purchase inquiries, Sky Park. Hello. I have a ticket for Klook for Skywalk.
So can you show me your passport?
Oh, sure. So guys, unahin muna natin yung activity before tayo mag-discuss, okay? Kasi nagmamadali tayo kung ano yung mga kasama dun sa ticket na binili natin.
Just go up 61 floor.
61 floor?
Yeah, and this one just for the entrance ticket.
I'll show this ticket.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here you can coffee just for free. You can redeem this one at 15A floor.
58 floor. I can redeem it like after the
Yeah.
okay. Ayan, so ito siya guys. Yan, ganyan. O diba? Para sa inyo to, mag-skywalk tayo. Okay, umabot tayo guys. Para mag-isa lang tayo. Thank you. So anyway, at least nakaabot tayo. So, ipapakita nyo lang yung passport nyo guys kasi kapag mag-purchase kayo ng ticket, ilalagay nyo yung information nyo like the passport number. Kaya hindi nyo na kailangan ibigay yung Klook QR code. But, if ever mali yung na-input yung information, then that's the time na pwede kayo makipag-negotiate kung paano gagawin, okay? 61st floor, guys! Oh my! Ang lamig ng pawis ko. Okay. Hello. This way? Alright. Thank you. So guys, ito pag may mga sakit kayo, ayan. Huwag nyo nang itry ito.
So, one skywalk.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines.
Welcome. So here you are, you need to fill out some information. Email, we enter, and your full names. You have the last one done about. Let's keep going. Yeah. Sign, please.
And this one?
Up to you.
Okay.
And anyone can keep this for you?
Huh?
Anyone? You have friends here? No?
I'm alone.
You're a locker.
How about this one?
Yeah, with this one, little bit, small is very small.
Small. So I can bring it?
No, you can.
You
You can,
okay.
yeah. So you need to put it in the locker.
Alright guys, so sabi, bawal yung ating camera. Pero pwedeng phone. Ang weird lang, di ba? Pero anyway, syempre, let's follow their rules. Kasi rules nila yun. So doon tayo sa locker. Nagbayad tayo na small locker is 20 MOP. Tapos large is 30. 30, magkano yun? Mahal yun. So ito, changing rooms ito. Ito yung locker. This requirement is our code only English to hire, big size, enter code. Ito pala yung locker code 703 018 48. Diyan ka muna, later.
A few moments later.
So yun guys, I'm using my phone right now since sabi naman, pwede ang phone. Ewan ko kung bakit hindi pwede ang camera. So ngayon, we're just gonna go ahead and do the fitting of the harness. Nag-t-shirt lang tayo kasi mainit. Ayan siya guys. At least meron pa rin tayong view. Tapos ito siya. Oh my god. Tsaka kayo maglalakad guys. Iihi ako. Oh, there? Okay. Ayan nga guys. All personal items are not allowed aside from your mobile phone. So, sige. Since pwede naman pala. So, okay. Let's go. So, yung shoes daw kailangan more tight. Kasi nga baka biglang alam mo yun, madulas-dulas. Sige, gawin natin. Ang daming activities dito guys sa Sky Park. Pwedeng walking, pwedeng tower climbing, mga ganun. Tapos may libre pala tayong t-shirt. Papapalitan ko mamaya guys. Hindi kasya sa akin yun. May weight limit pala to guys. Nasa 135 kilos. Hindi naman tayo ganun, umabot ng 100 kilos. Huwag kayong ganun. Hindi naman tayo umabot ng 100 kilos guys. So okay lang. Ayan, doon na tayo kay kuya nakablur.
Can you please put your phone right on the top of the table?
Okay. So ganito, itong pinahiram niya guys na parang cellphone holder, meron siyang butas. So hawakan nyo na lang, katulad ng ginagawa ko. Ina-adjust ko pa siya. Ngayon, inaayos ko lang ha. Pwede kayo mag-shades and so on. Ito siya guys ulit. We're celebrating 4 million bungee jumps. Oh my god. Ayoko yan. Hindi ko kakayanin yan. So guys, more on view lang mapapakita ko sa inyo ha. Kasi OA yung hawak ko sa camera. Dalawang kamay para hindi siya bumaba. Ang gamit ko pala this time, since maliwanag naman sa labas, 0.5 para at least malawak yung sakop niya. Ayun na sila. Mahigpit daw. Okay. Look at them. Oh! Pwede naman pala. Ayun oh, dala-dala niya. Ayun oh. Pwede pala GoPro. Ano to? GoPro is allowed?
No. If you're bungee jumping,
Ah, okay.
please don't use it.
Ay. Tinali-tali kaming tatlo. Mamaya mababagal tong mga to. Maiwan pa ako. Hindi kayo mag-jump. Paglalakad lang kami.
Hello, bro.
Hilain ko sila kuya. Are you gonna say jump? We're gonna jump.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and
Magandang view dito kasi yung araw doon nakasinag. The Grand Lisboa. Grabe. Ang sarap dito guys. Tama ba?
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Yeah. So guys, when we walk outside, you can hold both of the lines. Yeah, or just one and nothing out if you're comfortable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna try not to drop anyone. Okay, it's hard jump. You guys ready?
Yeah. Guys, so woo! Go! Oh, walang hawak-hawak to. Look at this.
What is your name?
Mark!
And this is the first time, guys, right?
First
You
time.
wanna try the bungee later?
No.
Yeah? What about you?
No.
You wanna jump off a building today?
Wala kang takot si kuya sa likod na.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
This one I think so. What about you, bro? You wanna jump
Look
off
at this guys. We're on the 50 something floor.
Okay, see you guys later. Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye.
See ya.
Oh my god.
God.
Look at this. Nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Pinagpapawisan ako ng malamig. Pag kami bata dun guys, oh. Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Can we please move back a little bit right there? Thank you. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
Safe naman siya guys, oh. Ayan.
And if you can face your body a little bit more.
Ayan, yung mga activity na pinapagawa ni kuya. Uupo dito. Yan. Tapos uupo doon. Look at that. And kasama na yan guys, yung videos and picture. Pilipino si kuya, yung mga nag-a-assist dito. Wala kasi yung ano natin eh. Bungee jumping lang daw yung GoPro. Ayan guys, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Nanginginig yung paa ko. Ayan o, look o. Ayan, so after this activity, ang gagawin natin, upo lang tayo dun sa loob, tapos magkukwentuhan tayo. I'll give you more information about this. And sobrang nice o, look o. Let's go. Hindi na tayo takot. Charot lang. Look at that guys. So, nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Hi. What is your name?
Karunes.
You? 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 What is your name?
Mark.
Yes, Steven. And this is the first time, guys, right?
First
You
time.
wanna try the bungee later?
No.
Yeah? What about you? Yeah? Let go. Yeah, just one hand, it's fine. Yeah. Just make sure that you're leaning back and standing straight. Okay? Take photo one by one. And
Are you sure?
my favorite guinea pig.
Oh my god. Sure?
So, smile, like happy smile. Maybe this is the last time.
For real?
Go.
Oh my god. Oh my. Yan daw guys, ganyan.
So it's much better if you Oh, okay, very good.
Papawisan na malamig.
Masaya Kenya.
Not easy. Ay maganda pala guys. ang tip ko sa inyo, kung hindi kayo matatakotin, para makapagkuha kayo ng picture together or a video, ayan no, magpahuli kayo.
How was that? Good?
Good!
That's fun?
Amazing!
Yeah? How on, man? Let's go! So guys, your photos and video, I'm gonna send it through your email. You're gonna receive it within 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Let's go.
Just be careful when you just go like that, yeah? Come on. Okay?
Thank you, Kuya Jeff.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, so we are done.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we are done with our Macau Tower Skywalk experience. Sobrang nakakakaba sa simula guys, pero pag nagamay nyo na, tapos yung mga posing ninyo, then you are good to go. And by the way, you are in good hands naman. Mga trained naman and professional yung mga mag-a-assist sa inyo. And sakto mga Pinoy, karamihan dito. Si Kuya Jeff yung nag-assist sa atin. Maganda. And syempre guys, we're gonna talk about the ticket. Wala tayo ng magandang posisyon. This way, look. Pwede kayong umupo dyan habang naghihintay sa mga kasama ninyo. So, it will take 30 minutes. Parang 30 minutes, depende kung marami kayo. Yung pinaka-activity, yung mga picture taking. Bali, iikutin nyo yung buong tower. And then, 388 per person guys, MOP, kapag direct kayo or walk-in kayo dito. But, since meron tayong Klook promo code, kinuha natin siya sa Klook. Actually, discounted na yon. Plus, in-apply natin yung ating promo code na Mark Paragas Klook for an additional discount. And you can use my promo code, guys, up to 5 times use per account. So, pagpasok nyo ng elevator, nandito yon. Dito na yung information counter nyo muna. Papakita nyo yung ticket nyo, bibigyan kayo ng t-shirt kasi meron kasama siyang t-shirt. Tapos, pag may mga gamit kayo, mga valuable things na pwedeng malaglag, bawal mga gamit or anything sa pocket, you can just use your phone, you can just bring your phone. And then meron silang pinaprovide na locker dito na large locker yung ginamit natin na 30 pataka and then ang small nila 20 pataka. Yung small guys parang ang kasya lang doon mga sling bag or mga maliliit na bag talaga. Pero katulad natin may camera tayo, may bag tayo, 30 pataka yung binayaran natin for the large locker. Ibigyan kayo ng ganito, ng waistband, tapos magpo-proceed na kayo doon. And then, isusot yung mga harness tapos wait for your turn. Kung may mga phones naman kayo, papahiramin kayo ng phone holder, ikakabit sa harness niyo para hindi nyo malaglag. Ganun siya. Okay, so ikot lang pa tayo. Ikot pa tayo dito sa tower. Wait, ano to? Parang ano siya? May friction. Scan the code, select the viewing program and pay. Rotate up, down, left, right to select the viewing target. Press the upper button to zoom in and center button to zoom out. Press the upper button to take a picture and press the center button to record, then press to stop recording. I don't know, pero pwede siya sa phone eh. So anyway, dito tayo, wala masyadong tao. Ayan, actually yan, ito yung mga ikutin nyo hanggang doon sa starting point. Malamig dito, in fairness. Tapos, syempre nasa tuktok tayo guys ng tower, di ba? Malamig, pero naka-t-shirt lang tayo. So, let's talk about the ticket. Sabi ko naman na yung iba, guys, medyo pricey siya ha. Kasi, syempre, alam nyo naman, for sure naman kasama insurance yung natin, ticket natin. Basta, again, enjoy every moment. Since nandito na kayo sa Macau, just do everything that you can. Tapos, again guys, kapag may mga health conditions, health problems kayo, wag nyo nang itry. Yung ating ticket guys is amounting to apply na yung discount natin guys. Nakuha natin siya ng 5,050 pesos and 80 cents. Applied na yung, again, applied na yung ating promo code dyan. That's good for one person lang guys. 30 minutes of walk, libre na yung pictures, libre pa yung videos. And I think may videos guys. Tapos, ang included sa ticket na binili nyo is syempre yung ticket for the skywalk. Tapos mga safety equipment, hindi nyo na babayaran yung mga harness. And certificate of completion, meron din. Tapos skywalk experience. T-shirt, may t-shirt tayo guys. Triple XL. O, diba? This one, Sky Park. Maganda. Pang ano, pwedeng pang run. Ganun yung itsura niya. Ganun yung tela niya. Tapos, ayun, set of photos for your walk taken by Kuya Jeff. Isa sa mga crew dito. And then, AJ Hackett International Membership Card, 20% discount. worldwide. Siguro pag may mga ganito rin sa ibang lugar, I'm not sure kung ano yung membership na yun na discount. Okay? Before you book guys, ang activity na to is good for 3 years old and up. May bayad yon. So, same bayad ng kinuha nyo. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron siyang 135 kilos na weight limit. And wala naman tayong 100 kilos, guys. Parang, actually, di naman ako mataba. Hindi ako mabigat. So, yon. Tapos, sabi ko sa inyo, guys, di ba? Parang dumating tayo dito ng mga 10 minutes before 12. Pero, kasi pag bibili kayo ng ticket sa Klook, guys, ng Macau Tower Skywalk, may time doon. May 11, may 11:30, may 12, may 12:30. Pinili natin yung 12. So, pero sabi kasi sa Klook, dapat 30 minutes daw before the activity, nandito ka na. Kasi yung registration process pa lang is 30 minutes sa abutin. If ever lang naman na maraming tao, maraming mag-experience. Pero, I think, konti lang kasi nga syempre yung mga fear of heights, di ba? And then, if ever malate kayo guys, since mahal yung ticket natin, if ever malate naman kayo, pero wag ipapalate ha. If ever lang malate kayo due to traffic or anything happens, pag nandito na kayo, basta na late kayo, pwede siyang i-rebook sa ibang araw. Tapos pipili rin kayo ng oras. Ganon. If ever naman na-book nyo siya ahead of time, meron lang kayo guys na parang 48 hours if you want to cancel it para ma-refund kayo. Then within 48 hours before your activity, hindi na siya refundable. Okay? So I would suggest guys, if you're gonna book this activity, dapat sure kayo. Kasi mahirap din kunyari biglang ayaw nyo na or sabihin natin nagkasakit kayo before the event or before the activity, mahirap magpa-refund kay Klook. Lalo na kung may sakit kayo, hingi pa kayo ng medical certificate, mga ganun. Kasi nga, syempre, di ba? Pag no show talaga, wala na. Ito guys, yung activity na to, syempre, magdedepende ito sa weather conditions. Maaraw ngayon, hindi masyadong mahangin, magandang panahon, then good. Ever, maulan, may bagyo, mga ganun. Automatic, syempre, expect nyo na i-cancel to. Pwede nyo i-rebook or i-refund. Ganun. And how to use guys, ganito lang siya. Valid lang yung ticket ninyo dun sa preferred date and time na pinili niyo. Okay? Hindi na pwede siyang ma-amend na kunyari palitan yung time. So make sure na kayo sa time na pipiliin niyo and also the date. Tapos, opening hours guys, nito is from Monday to Friday, 11 AM to 7 PM, Saturday and Sunday, 10:30 AM to 7:30 PM. Kasi hindi lang may skywalk yung merong ano dito. May activity dito, may bungee jumping, may skywalk climbing tower, parang ganun, and so on. So nakita nyo naman na ginawa natin, pinresent lang natin sa pinaka ground floor. Parang basement pa nga yun guys, kasi pababa ng pababa. Yung ticket natin, tapos pinakita lang natin yung passport natin, pinalitan ng ticket, then umakyat na agad tayo dito. Sa, anong floor to? 61. And yung papunta naman dito guys, if you're going to stay in Sofitel, Macau at Ponte 16, you just need to ride the bus 26. Then dito na mismo yung sa baba, dadaan. And make sure lang na alam nyo kung saan yung daanan ng bus. Baka kasi sumakay kayo ng bus 26 tapos palayo pala siya, di ba? So yun, make sure, okay? Sabi ni Kuya, marireceive natin. Tapos yung mga pictures nyo, sana yung mga shots ni Kuya, halos lahat nandun. Kasi may picture, tapos nagbe-video din siya. I hope nandun yung video. And ipapadala sa inyo guys in 15 to 30 minutes after the activity. Ayun, meron na! May email na. Ang sabi dito is, congratulations Mark Albert. Ayun, you have completed the skywalk at Sky Park Macau Tower. Tapos, view your media. Yun na. Parang ano pala siya guys, isang buwan bago ma-delete dun sa kanilang system. Kaya make sure na lang na pag na-receive nyo na, download nyo na agad lahat ng pwede nyo i-download. And naka-zip siya guys. So yun. And again, bawal pala ang GoPro, bawal ang action camera. Only phones are allowed. Kasi syempre, baka malaglag nyo, di ba? Meron tayong T-set redemption coupon sa 58th floor from 11 AM to 7 PM. Kasama na siya guys. Tapos ano siya? Isa egg tart, tapos options if you want coffee, tea, water, soft drink. So yun. Pupunta muna tayo sa 58th floor guys. Doon na tayo magkwentuhan ulit. Tapos buti na lang may natira talaga akong pataka last year. Ayan o, may 100 pa ako, bali. Tapos nagbayad tayo ng 30 pataka. So ang natira na lang sa akin is 190 pataka. Actually walang nakalagay doon sa ticket guys na may kasama siyang afternoon tea, parang snack. In fairness, di ba? Okay na yun. Tapos prepare tayo ng 6 Hong Kong dollars or 6 emerald. Ayan, sakto. Meron akong 50 cents ng Hong Kong dollars. So dalawa to, $1. Tapos may 5 Hong Kong dollars ako. $6 pamasahe. And guys, sobrang dali lang ng transportation service dito. Sakay ka lang, baba, sakay, bayad, baba, ganun. Sakay, bayad, baba. Basta as long as alam nyo kung ano yung bus number nyo at saan kayo bababa. Ayan, cute. Cute to. Ang makaano. Ayan. This how much? $8.99.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are on the 58th floor, which is ito pala yung pinaka main observatory deck. Cute pala dito. So hindi lang pala yun guys, parang libre na rin pala yung pag-akit nyo dito. Kasi may bayad to guys, 600 plus sa Klook. Kung gusto nyo dito lang. I love Macau. Oh, meron pang skywalk, buy one get one free pa pala to. Yung mga discount. Check natin. Ikutin lang natin bago natin kunin dito. Mukhang dito natin kukunin. Wala masyadong tao dito, in fairness. Scary. Last floor. Nakita niyo yung bulbunan ko. Ayan. See? Ayan siya guys. Okay. So let's redeem our drinks. Gusto ko mag soft drinks. Fanta. And then isang egg tart. Tapos we can just sit anywhere we want. Drinks, Fanta. Okay. Thank you. Tapos may toilet din pala dito. Tapos may mini play area for your kids. Ito yung token machine. Tapos mga souvenirs, rep magnet. Yan, mga vendo machines. Tapos may Snoopy, the big one. Snoopy. Meron ditong lounge, 180-degree lounge entrance sa 59th floor. Yan yung hagdanan going up kung gusto nyo kumain. Tapos, ito pala, ang maganda dito, yung skywalk experience niyo is may kasama ng entrance dito sa observatory. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman sa skywalk, gusto nyo lang dito, pwede din naman. So, tara, kain tayo with Snoopy. Yan. Alright, so I guess that's it for our vlog today. I had fun. It was an amazing experience, guys. First time kong gawin yun. Kung gusto ko naman ulitin, syempre sa ibang lugar para mas pataas. Burj Khalifa. Short lang. Sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, enjoy life, enjoy every moment. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung ating activity today guys, syempre paki-like and share this video para naman maengganyo kayo. Basta any activities, any tours, any hotel sa Klook, you can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount up to 5 times use per account. And you can also subscribe to my channel Mark Paragas Official and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin. You can also follow me on my other social media account, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And guys, enjoy life. Enjoy every moment. I'm enjoying this moment, first time ever. And live life to the fullest. Guys, just do whatever makes you happy para na ma-satisfy nyo yung sarili nyo. And syempre, follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys on our next Macau travel vlog. Thank you guys. No more.